ẹ̀yin tèmi lórí ètò yìí ó ti tún ṣẹlẹ̀ báyìí o. ṣe rántí arákùnrin Shamelon, Samson Dean ti àwọn NURTW. wọ́n ní wọ́n ti gbé lọ sílé ẹjọ́ báyìí. òun lẹ́ ń rí tí ó ń bọ̀ láti ilé ẹjọ́ yẹn. Police arrange NURT leader Shamelon for alleged killing a dispatch rider in Lagos. The police discreetly escorts the NURT official Shamelon Oladiti alias Shamelon out of the court premises today amid chants for justice. Oladiti is facing charges of murder and assault linked to two violent incidents in Lagos Island. One that left a dispatch rider hospitalized, another one that claimed a man's life. The charge atmosphere underscored the growing demands for accountability as the case continued. Ẹ̀yin tèmi, bọ́rọ̀ náà ṣe lọ nìyẹn o. Bí ọ̀rọ̀ náà ṣe lọ nìyẹn nínú comment section. Tẹ́ bá rí oríṣiríṣi nǹkan táwọn èèyàn bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí ń sọ. The man is a good man. I just don't know what came over him. I'm still in shock sef. Dem still dey cover him face. Ẹ mọ̀ wàrà Nàìjíríà oríṣiríṣi. Gẹ́gẹ́ bí ẹ ti mọ̀ bí àwọn ọmọ NURTW ṣe máa ń wo ìwà ní Nàìjíríà bí ìwà kò sẹ́ni tó lè mú mi. Náà wọ́n ní tí ọwọ́ pálábá ti wá ségi báyìí ṣé lè máa wá ṣe é ṣe. Àwọn kan ní they should not agree for them o. Àwọn kan ti ní who is this please. Ìkan ní you see the problem with Nigeria as dem hug am, person wey suppose wound he must face killing penalty also. Oríṣiríṣi kọ́mẹ̀ntì ṣàbẹ̀rẹ̀ sí lọ lórí ayélujára lórí ọ̀rọ̀ mátà yìí. Kí lẹ̀yin ti feel? Kí ni èrò ọkàn yín? Báwo lẹ̀yin ṣe rò? Ṣé ẹjọ́ ìmà lórí àbẹ́jẹ́ yóò nílèdè? Àbí bó ṣe ń ṣe lọ iná ọ̀nà ìmọ̀ máa ṣe lọ? Torí pé nílùú Nàìjíríà àwọn kan ti kọ́ síbẹ̀. Wọ́n ní nílùú Nàìjíríà irú àwọn kéṣìṣì báyìí wọ́n ní kò síbi tó ń lọ o. Wọ́n ní mo yẹ parí lórí TV pé ṣẹ̀rí arákùnrin yìí náà pé tíṣẹ̀tì tó wọ̀ gan-an tíṣẹ̀tì àwọn kan ti ní tíṣẹ̀tì Tinubu náà ló ìwọ̀ pé lára àwọn ọmọ Tinubu ni. Kí lẹ̀yin feel? Ṣé wọ́n máa fọwọ́ òfin gbé àbí wọn ò ní fọwọ́ òfin gbé? Ṣé wọ́n máa lọ fílẹ̀ lẹ́yìn kọ̀rọ̀ ni àbí wọn ò ní lọ fílẹ̀ lẹ́yìn kọ̀rọ̀? Èwo lẹ̀yin mú? Èwo lẹ̀yin sọ? Ṣé wọ́n máa lo àwọn kan tún kọ síbẹ̀ again? The NURT boss ṣé Olúọmọ will go and use leg in Abuja to release him. Àwọn kan sí ni Koko Zaria they will try to release him. Sego is the one in command now. I think Sego will remove him from what he's been. Ikoni is just very easy. It's just to take people's mind and people's mind out of his thing. Just say to you he's in prison, and after 2-3 years, nobody will talk about him anymore. Before you know him, he might be in abroad. Different opinion now. When your comment is drop, there's another one that says, who knows, maybe it's inside. He's still looking fresh. Kí lẹ feel? Kí ni opinion ti yín nípa ọ̀rọ̀ Shamelon? Alright, ẹ máa jù sínú comment. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share. This is DIGINAIJA. Stay tuned.